Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the payability fee structure, explained from my own experience using their services as an e-commerce seller. If you're looking to speed up your marketplace cash flow, understanding these fees is crucial. Payability primarily offers two services, instant access and instant advance. Their fee structure is built around these two core products, and it's essential to understand that they charge a flat fee, not interest, because they are purchasing your future receivables, not giving you a loan. Let's start with instant access. This is the service that gives you daily payouts, instead of waiting for your marketplace's bi-weekly or monthly schedule. The fee for instant access is typically a percentage of your gross sales. From what I've seen, this fee usually falls between 1% and 2% of your total sales for that payout period. The key point here is that the fee is based on your gross sales, which means it's calculated before Amazon or other marketplace fees, refunds, or chargebacks are deducted. This is a critical detail that affects your net profit. For this service, payability advances you about 80% of your previous day's sales the next business day. The remaining 20% is held in reserve and is paid out to you on your marketplace's regular payment schedule, with the payability fee subtracted from that final 20%. Next is instant advance. This is more like a lump sum cash advance on a larger amount of your future sales. It's for when you need a significant amount of capital right away, say, for a bulk inventory purchase. The fee structure for instant advance is based on a flat weekly rate, usually between 0.5% and 1% per week of the total amount you are advancing. The total cost you pay is determined by how quickly you pay back the advance. You pay it back through a fixed percentage of your ongoing marketplace settlements. The good news is that payability often offers a rebate for paying back the advance early. So, the faster your sales and the faster you pay it back, the lower your effective fee will be. In my experience, you also need to factor in things like their seller card, which is no annual fee, but their transfer methods also have costs. While same-day ACH and wire transfers can move funds instantly or very quickly, there can be additional transfer fees associated with those specific services. Free next-day transfers via standard ACH are an option, but you'll have to wait that extra day. The final piece of advice is to do the math for your own business. That 1% or 2% fee on gross sales might sound small, but you must calculate that the benefit of having daily cash flow allow you to reinvest faster, avoid stockouts, and grow your business outweighs that fee. For me, the speed has been worth the cost, but every business is different. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.